Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing video. Obviously, this is the Casio Royale stainless steel case mod watch. This is a Random Rob Tour watch, and I just checked eBay for this case. It's from Casio Design. And from what I can tell, it's no longer on eBay. So I'm going to see if I can somehow reach out to the owner of Casio Design and see if he's still making them or what the story is with that. Guess I missed some of the tape here. Oh, I see. I'm opening it the wrong way. All right, let's check this out. I still have my Casio Worldtimer, and I was still holding on to it because I knew I was eventually going to get this tour watch in. A lot of bubble wrap here. Now, from what I remember, I think this one has a mineral crystal, but later on he was offering them with a sapphire. But like I said, I just checked eBay, and I didn't see it on there anymore. So I hope he's still offering these. It seems like a nice upgrade. Definitely got some heft to it. So, no, I don't know exactly how you do this mod, but I know you need to obviously take the Worldtimer apart, and then these buttons need to be removed and then somehow inserted into the case, and then the module gets pressed back in, and then the case back is screwed on. So this should be a relatively short video. I'll get this on wrist, and you check it out on my 6.5-inch wrist. I'm still wearing this Rolex Explorer homage watch. I think it's a homage to one of the previous generations, maybe from the 70s. I don't remember exactly. I think it's based off the 1016. But anyway, I'm wearing it for the size because I'm really strongly considering getting the new 36 millimeter Rolex Explorer. Other than owning one for one day, a Rolex for one day, I've never owned a Rolex. So let's get this on wrist. So 6.5-inch wrist, 52 millimeter wristband, and I'm down to the last. Well, there's two more sizes left here. So there we go on my wrist. I got a bit of this hanging out here like I usually do. Oh, that's not too bad. And then we'll zoom out and see how it looks. A little bit larger of a perspective here. Yeah, I like just the base model. It's $25. I forgot how much I spent for it. And then I think I don't remember how much this kit was. I think it was $200. I don't remember. Like I said, I didn't buy this. It's a tour watch. So anyway, enough of my rambling. Check out that backlight goodness there. So anyway, just a quick unboxing. I think I'll do another video comparing this to my Casio Worldtimer, and that'll be it for this watch. Oh, nice drilled lugs there. So, as always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.